Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Nafiza Siddiqui. Today I write a completing story about unity is strength. Before starting the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates because I continually upload this type of video for you. And if you subscribe, then you get notification and then you see my video. And if you can't see my videos, so please subscribe and click the bell icon. So I start now. There was an old farmer. He had 4 sons. They were all grown up, but they had no good relations with. Now complete this story. Unity is strength. There was an old farmer. He had 4 sons. They were all grown up, but they had no good relation with one another. They were disobedient and always quarreled among themselves. The old man was very much dissatisfied with them and tried to make them united, but they did not pay heed to him. As he was getting old and weak day by day, he became very anxious about their future. At last, he made a plan to teach them how to live in unity. To materialize his plan, one day he called his sons together and said, I have called you to give my last advice. I will not live long, but I feel very unhappy to see you quarrel among yourselves. He told his eldest son to bring some sticks. The son brought some sticks. The old man asked him to bind the sticks together. He bound them into a bundle. Then the old man ordered him to break the bundle. He tried but could not break it. The old man told all of his sons to break the bundle, and they tried one by one, but none of them was successful. Then the old man asked the sons to untie the bundle. When they did it, he asked them to break the sticks separately. They broke the sticks one by one easily. Then old man said, My sons, take a lesson from it, the power of unity. No more today. If you like this video, please like, comment and share for others, because if you share, then other people see this and I can help them. So please like, comment and share. Assalamu alaikum.